Hey everybody, how you doing? Oh, it is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Pig the Rubble by Aaron Blabey. Please enjoy. Pig the Rubble. Pig was a pug, and I'm not to say, after years of his antics, it was now time to pay. Yes, Pig was condemned to a fate, oh, so cruel. It was time for the dread. The no-nonsense trainer looked Pig up and down. "I hear you've been naughty," she said with a frown. She listed his crimes, each wrecked endeavor. Pig plead innocent. "What? Who? Me? Never." "Hush," said the trainer. Her manner was gruff. "Once you're done here, you'll behave soon enough." His class was a mixture of various mutts. They all had their issues, some hyper, some nuts. All gallery of roaches, a real Monte crew. "What are you in for?" "I'm bonkers, and you?" "Class," roared the trainer. "You will now learn to sit." Something in Pig snapped. He bellowed. "That's it. No school can contain me. Let's bust out of here." His classmates were stunned, but they gave a great cheer. "Follow me, friends," shouted Pig to his potsies. "Let's split from this joint. And that trainer who's bossy." He mounted his steed, and they galloped a pace, but his steed lost its footing and fell on his face. Pig found his feet, though with startling veracity he hurled downhill as amazing velocity. He took out a cake straw. Oh, how these cakes flew. He took out the hot dog guy's new barbecue. His escape was triumph. It really was. Yipe. But wait, hang on. What's this? "Hey, watch your step." The gas truck went boom. The sky filled with fur. It looked like the end. Oh, it was sure did. Yes, sir. What happened next? Oh, how ends the book? Did you dare turn the page, friends? Did you dare look? Who could survive an explosion that big? Well, one slightly barbecue pot-bellied pig. These days it's difficult. I'm happy to say you've heard this before, but hey, anyway, his fur will grow back. His fur all grew back. He did not need a wig, and somehow that blast blew some sense into pig. It sparked a new wisdom, a new way of living, devoting his future to sharing and giving. I know what you're thinking. Who's fooling you, kid? You'll never change. But guess what? He did. With love and thanks to all of you. Whoa. I guess he became good, huh? After blowing up. Well, wasn't that a cute little story about Pig the Rubble? Let me know with a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this video here, and if you did, smash that thumbs up button. And when you do that, it will help other people know about my book reading channel, and that way, when you do that, it will reach out to other people and they'll come here and watch me. So please do that. Also, if you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a fantastic one, everybody. And take care.